Excellent delivery to kick off the action. Knocks him over. The middle stump is lying flat on the ground. Jubilation for Sharifi. He has struck with the second delivery of the match.
This is what you call a bowler setting up a batsman. Previous delivery left the left-hander, and this delivery came back into the left-hander sharply. Bamboozled Azzatul Azazai, who's gone without scoring. Tigers none run and 1 wicket already down.
The away going delivery.
Test out their skills, their mentality going forward.
Slower delivery to finish a successful over. Chips one down the ground, just over the fielder. And we run away for 4. A lucky boundary for Ahmed Shah.
But probably Ahmed Shah expected the ball to bounce a little bit more, but he just kept a bit low, bottom part of the bat. Valiant attempt by mid-off, bowling midland leg stump rather than midland off stump. Just like that, good shot. Picked up the length early and showing the intent early doors. Ahmed Shah, I think the right way forward.
Afsar Jajai leading into this competition, preparing for playing big shots against the spin bowlers. And he's showing once again. Away going delivery. He has nicked it. Second wicket for Sharifi. He's doing demolition job at the beginning of the innings.
Trying to play on the up, Ahmed Shah, but he was beaten for pace and movement. In the previous over of Sharifi, he was living dangerously outside the off stump. Not this occasion. A thick outside edge. The skipper of the Tigers, Ahmed Shah, he's gone.
Driving through the offside and driving away for 4. Over the top. Gets it over the fielder as well. A couple of fielders in pursuit of the ball will be able to stop it from getting into the boundary.
A great commitment shown. Certainly saved a couple of runs there. Appreciated by the wicketkeeper, who's the captain as well.
Three international stars back in the pavilion. Trying to work through the offside. Mujib has already started to celebrate. Another wicket falls. Spinker Tigers in all sorts of trouble here.
Told you, Devender. Mujibur Rahman, he was fancying his chances against Zubaid. He was trying to score big, trying to score quickly. And this occasion, the umpire did not have any hesitation to lift his dreaded finger up. That's fine. The front foot is well within the crease. And a quick decision by the umpire means the Tigers have lost their 4th wicket in the 4th over.
ډیر پزړه پورې شاټ د پوینټ باونډري څخه د باندې څلور منډې بهترین اکرام او اجاز تر مابین دغه پارټنرشپ او ملګرتیا جریان لري.
یو ځل بیا هم اکرام علي خیل بهترینه شاټ ترلاسه کوي او بال یو ځل بیا له باونډرۍ څخه بهر د څلورو منډو لپاره هیڅ یو فیلډر ته
دا ځل بیا هم چینج اپ پیس و خو لوبڅار او دلته میس فیلډینګ کیږي د وکټ ساتونکي څخه او توپ د باونډري څخه د باندې څلور منډې او د هم کټ بهترینه کټ کلاسیک کټ شاټ اکرام علي خیل درېمه څلوریزه په اپ سایډ باندې کدا ځل وګورو په کورونو کې هم دغه په ژوندۍ بڼه لیدلی سي دغه لوبي ویل بي ډبلیو اپیل ګورو چې او دلته د لوبڅار ګوته د اسمان په لور اوچته مجیب زدران واه څومره بهترینه توپ اچونه بیرته کم بیک کوي د 13 اور بدل اخی ودرېدو د شیرزاد په وړاندې بهترینه توپ وهنه ترسره کړه بال دننه راغلی او کیرم بال باندې دا د ځانګړنې هغه د کوالټي دی چې کیرم بال باندې دی او د فینګر ګوګلی هم کولی شي بهترینه آف سپینر ده دا اصل ډان د وکټ راځي خو دلته یو منډه په چټکۍ سره ترلاسه کوي
بالکل بیا هم مجیب خاور تر سره کړ د خپل لوبډلې لپاره هم کمې منډې ورکړې هم یوه وکټه ترلاسه کړه مهمه وکټ ترلاسه کړه هغه څوک چې